Hey you guys, it's Big Tesla 2021. What's up? I'm live right now. And you see what I got the keys to right now. It's a Hellcat, SRT Hellcat. Let's walk up on it. Here it is right now. SRT Hellcat. Oh, make sure it's the right car. It's the only one in the parking lot. All white, Minko Cinco. Make sure y'all follow the page, channel. So let's get this thing. Start this baby up. Get the inside of this baby real quick. Now hear how it sounds. Wide body at the back. Sunny roof. You sit all the way to the steering wheel. Yo, this is the inside. You hear this? I know y'all heard it. Oh, y'all hearing it. There's a light over in here. Oh, y'all hear this, I'll tell you. Oh, peanut butter. Oh, Cinco de Minko de Mayo. My. SRT, boy. It's different. It's different. Woo-wee. Oh, boy. Turn the volume up. When I tell you what, it's different. It ain't the Tesla now, but it's the Hellcat. You feel me? SRT, big boy. Let's see what she do. Turn some of these lights off real quick. Throw them down, go keep that light on. Woo-hoo. You see the SRT light? No, that means we about to fly. Woo! Let's get this thing to the goddamn front. Boy, that shit whining, I ain't even doing nothing. I know y'all hear that supercharged. Ooh, she whistling like a mug, boy. Ooh, well, I know y'all hear that supercharged in that mug, boy. That thing different, boy. That thing different. I miss the noise, but Tesla don't make no noise, man. I can't even get that bitch to whistle. But this thing right here, boy, it do what you want to do. It's gonna do it. But he got a full tank right now. Let's switch this thing, take it around the block. We're gonna wait out here and come out there. He got the camera already ready and shit. So I'm gonna get in the passenger seat, let him show me how it's done. Cause you know me, I embarrass him in this thing. Go Cinco. Need it. That's not too long. Y'all hear the fire? It's awesome. Everything coming out. Said follow my boy Minko de Mayo. And he got the camera ready for some action. match. Let's get him in the seat. And let's see what the boy gonna do with it. Let's see, is he gonna fold it up or fold it up? It's cold out there. What the heat though? Is that the heat? Oh, that's the radio. See, I don't even know how to work things here. Turn my seat on. Let's see, they got it over there. Yeah, we running this thing up, boy. Y'all make sure to subscribe to my boy page, Minko Cinco de Mayo. You know the name. SRT, baby. Hellcat. Subscribe to the channel, man. Both our channels. If you ain't on my channel, what the hell you doing? He got the sunroof on top. Sun it out, so you ain't gonna see nothing. Got Minko Cinco running out. He running out now. Look at it, running out the gate right now. He about to put the thing. Look at him. Running out the gate right now. Look at him. Minko Cinco de Mayo. You live right there, Minko Cinco de Mayo.
You already know what it is, man. Fuck, man.
Run that thing up. Look, he had to switch the thing up to some shit I don't even know about, boy. Look at this. He about to hit the pothole. Look at boy, scared. Look at him, scared.
Scared. Scared.
Why you tell your light on your camera?